I literally hate you, bitch. How the fuck do you expect to make money, Julie, if you don't like to work? Julie, my door just fucking opened. What? No, stop. What the fuck? What the fucking fuck? Bitch, it's not even that late. Kevin's not home from work yet. What? Oh my god. What the fucking... Oh. No. Oh! No. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the Julie, you're fucking lying. You're fucking lying. Oh! No. 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 What the
Yo! Hello? What the f going on? Jesus Christ, it was behind me.
Alright, so I'm not sure how to talk about this, but well, first off, I've been an EMT just for a little bit, and like I ain't never experienced nothing like this. So as we driving back to base, I swear I seen a face in the rearview mirror. Like,
Tell me as soon as you can.
fuck, I need to turn this engine off though, cause like we're gonna be stranded out here.
Yeah, as soon as possible. Hey, thank you.
I'm not trying to go back near this truck. I don't know if you see it, but can y'all see that back door? Like, it just, oh shit. Like, it just flew open, like, can y'all, oh. Nah, what the what was that? Can y'all see it? Nah. hell no. Fuck that. Nah.
They say the worst thing you can encounter in the woods is other people. An outdoorsman was camping in this creepy forest he's been to several times. And as he goes deeper into the woods to explore, he hears this.
I'm not sure if you guys ever seen the Blair Witch Project, but damn, this is just giving me Blair Witch Project vibes. Super cool. Imagine just being lost out here. It feels like this would never end. Oh, hi. What the hell? I need to get out of here. Oh boy. It could have been campers, but this area is extremely secluded. Damn it. I need to find camp. I'm completely disoriented right now.
I'm so scared. It's currently 1 in the morning. My boyfriend is at work. I just heard keys open. There ain't nobody here, y'all.
After about 15 minutes of talking to the camera, she hears something absolutely terrifying. The following footage shows why you should never answer a mimic that is trying to lure you out of the room. It's just never going to end well. Watch until the end.
Oh my gosh. My boyfriend is at work. I'm thinking he might have come home early. I'm supposed to get off till the morning. After a good, maybe like 5 minutes, I don't hear him moving no more. So I'm like, damn, is he gonna come in the room? Like, you know, like me and the baby in the room. I know he didn't see the baby. I heard that shit clear as day. And there's nobody here but me and my son. Oh my God. What the Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm not gonna let you in. What the f is that?
دخيت بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم 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 إيه يا حبيبي بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم 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 يا حبيبي بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم تلفون زفت ولا كان تصويره بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله بسم الله بسم الله أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بايا بدي أصرخ بس خايف الناس تلتم علي بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من كل شيطان وهامة بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يما ويابا بكل حياتي ودنيتي يا حبيبي
I don't know. I've been face down in a ditch for 2 hours. I was trying to save your buddy, okay? I don't think there's much left I have to prove. Okay, well, if you can come back, that'd be nice. Okay, I don't know where this thing is or when it's gonna. Oh, shit!
Don't believe what you
I work in a movie theater, and we have to check the theaters at night. You know, once you're done closing as an usher, you just flash the camera. You gotta check the door, and then you have to check behind these curtains just to make sure no hobos are back here. You know, no one's back here. And then you just go and... What the fuck? Somebody up here, and it's the scariest shit I've ever seen, dude. Like, I was just down here, and I was back down there in that corner right there, and I literally just like can't... What the fuck?
Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.